In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the CI96AH automatic coupling inserter. Fill the pump with hydraulic oil. Test the pedal to ensure smooth hydraulic action. Insert the push plate into the hydraulic ram. The plate can be easily detached to accommodate the positioning of larger hoses and stems. Position the bottom half of the hose jaw in the guides so the hose is in line with the center of the push plate. Lower the upper half of the hose jaw through the guides onto the hose. Adjust the hose so that a sufficient length overhangs to accommodate the coupling. Mount the jaw adjustment plate above the top hose jaw. Turn the threaded spindle to tighten the jaws around the hose. Lubricate the inside of the hose end and the shank of the coupling. Insert the end of the coupling shank into the hose and position the hydraulic ram assembly behind the fitting. Secure the hydraulic ram assembly in place with the position pins and ensure it is properly connected to the air-over hydraulic pump. Apply pressure to the pump's pedal until the coupling is fully inserted. Make sure the fitting remains aligned to the hose during insertion. Release pressure from the air-over hydraulic pump by stepping on the other end of the foot pedal for automatic ram return. Remove the assembly. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact us at DixonValve.com. Don't forget to like this video and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.